Did you know that leaders like Albert Einstein and Steve Jobs and some top scientists attributed a few of their success to their gut feeling? Some call it inner voice or the sixth sense. Others may think, nah, that's just a myth. But I tell you guys, it exists, and it's called intuition. For instance, have you ever felt fear or excitement? A feeling that something is right or wrong? Or suddenly had the urge to act without completely understanding why? Unfortunately, it's not because you were born a foreteller, nor it is as magical as clairvoyance. You're just a highly intuitive individual. While some dismiss intuition as wishful thinking or irrationality, it could be extremely beneficial in making judgments and assessing situations. The truth is that we all have intuition, yet some of us are more intuitive than others. So, how do you know whether you've activated your sixth sense? Here are 11 telltale indicators that a highly intuitive individual is staring back at you in the mirror. Welcome to Thrivetastic. If you're new here, why not hit that subscribe button and join our community? And as always guys, give this video a thumbs up for that YouTube algorithm. 1. You're in tune with your body. If intuitive individuals have perfected anything, it is how to listen to their bodies. When you begin to feel out of sync with yourself, it's a solid sign that something is off kilter or not quite right. You may feel sick or queasy for no apparent reason, or you may notice that something is unusual before being ill. You recognize when you are on the verge of burnout and make time for yourself to refuel. Your intuition leads you to be more active, less stressed, and overall healthier. 2. You're a deep thinker. Are you often distracted and enjoy reflecting on your ideas and feelings? This indicates that you're quite contemplative and prefer to spend time alone, allowing your mind to wander without interference. As a result, you regularly find yourself thinking about what you could have been or what you could have been if you had done something different. Furthermore, you may be able to detect relationships between things that most others do not. And this is because your intuition has acquired a capacity for seeing patterns where others may not be even aware of. 3. You are very observant of others' emotions, needs, and thoughts. One of the most fundamental aspects of intuition is that it's multisensory. The more powerful your intuition, the more you'll be able to see individuals in all their complexities, including what they're thinking and feeling. This necessitates not only outstanding observation skills, but also the capacity to connect these observations with what's going on inside you. So, if you can discern what people need before they ask for it or even realize what it is, or if you can detect emotions without saying anything, chances are your intuition is strong. 4. You have recurring thoughts and ideas. When you have recurring thoughts or ideas, it's usually because your intuition is trying to communicate with you. Even when you are not actively thinking about them, these thoughts can occur. For example, you may have a nagging sense about something that will go away unless you act on it. Perhaps you have an idea for a new business or project bouncing around in your thoughts. Or perhaps you continually see things that inspire you when watching TV, reading a book, listening to music, or even in unexpected locations like highway signs. 5. You're a good judge of character. You can tell when someone is being sincere and when they're being deceptive. This is because you can easily pick up on people's energy and intentions. You have feelings of excitement when some people enter your life. Nevertheless, there are occasions when your intuition tells you that someone is not who they claim to be. You can see through the small details that most people miss, which can be highly valuable in avoiding predators or avoiding dishonest persons. Again, this is about perceiving what people are thinking or feeling, not just reading body language or facial expressions. 6. You often experience synchronicities. The experience of two or more occurrences that are meaningfully related but casually unrelated is referred to as synchronicity. For example, you could be thinking about an old acquaintance and they suddenly phone you. Or sometimes you get a hunch to look in a specific location for something you've misplaced and there it is.
If you find yourself having important coincidences frequently, your intuition is likely more active in your daily life. 7. Your dreams are vivid and often insightful. Intuition is strongly linked to your subconscious mind, which is where your dreams come from. If your dreams are frequently prophetic and contains vital pieces of information or insight, this is an indication that your intuition is strong. You may experience dreams that are so vivid that they appear real, and then events in your waking life unfold exactly as they did in your dream. 8. You have sudden moments of clarity. When you take the time to pause, quiet your mind, and ponder on life, strong aha moments or startling realizations occur. You find yourself addressing a problem that has been bothering you for a time, or you become aware of a fresh path ahead in a situation where there was previously no evident answer. You now realize what you must do. These insights may emerge from your intuition, leading you to answers, solutions, and decisions. 9. You can sense when something is about to happen. Another hallmark of a strong intuition is the capacity to predict events before they occur. For example, you may have an uneasy feeling that someone you know is going to cheat on their partner. Or you may have an unhappy feeling that there will be an accident on the way home from work even though there is no proof of one ahead of time. Your instincts are typically correct, and reality follows suit. It's as if the cosmos is whispering in your ear, forewarning you of impending events. 10. You are drawn to certain people or places. Your intuition can be mysterious, but it isn't necessarily about knowing what is going to happen. It's sometimes about noticing the tiny things, like being pulled to specific individuals and places. If you have an instant connection with someone or are pulled to a place like no other, your intuition is most likely at work. This can be difficult if you're unsure of what you're looking for or where your intuition is leading you. But once you figure out what it is, there's no turning back. 11. Others come to you for advice. Are you a good listener, and is someone others look to for advice? Do you have an instinctive sense of what to do in particular situations? If so, it's because you have a natural capacity to see the larger picture and connect seemingly unrelated things. When someone tells you about a problem or circumstance, it's normal for you to come up with a solution without even trying. People flock to you for guidance because they trust your judgment, and you're often considered wise beyond your years. Intuition is a valuable gift. It's similar to an inner compass. It directs you toward what is beneficial to your spirit and away from what may be detrimental or destructive. And the more in tune you are with this compass, the easier life gets. You'll also be more successful because your intuition will help steer you on the proper route. Don't worry if you watched this video and didn't recognize these characteristics in yourself. Intuition, like any other skill, can be honed. You may need to change your behaviors and practice relaxing more frequently. You may also need to spend time alone with yourself or include more mindfulness activities in your everyday life, such as regular meditation. More importantly, learn to listen to your intuition and trust yourself. That's it for today. After learning about the qualities of a highly intuitive person, what conclusion did you come up with? Are you intuitive or not? Please let us know your answers in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching this Thrivetastic video. So if you found it valuable, consider subscribing to our channel and joining our awesome community. And if you're still hungry for more, we handpicked this awesome Thrivetastic video for you to watch next.